How to make Instagram stories music longer than 15 seconds. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily do that. Let's get right into it. First thing you have to do is simply open up your Instagram app and then make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, once you are logged in, what you want to do next is head over to your story section by swiping right on your screen. Or you could just tap on the plus icon right below. Now from here you could select story, so just tap on story. And now you can simply select a story from your gallery or take a quick video or photo. I'm just going to select a random story from here, like so. And what you want to do next is simply go ahead and tap on the music icon up top. So select any music you want. I'm just going to select a random one from here. And as you can see here, if I tap on the numbers right here, I'm able to select the amount of the duration. So you could just go ahead and select it up to 15 seconds. There is no option to make it longer than that. But what you can do is select multiple stories. So to select the music that you want, and then remember which part it ends on. So for example, if I just start from here, it will end right here. So just remember that and then tap on done. Now you're going to have to select another story. So here I'm going to select this one first and then I'm going to select this one right here and then tap on next. It's going to be two separate stories. So on the first one you can select your music and then tap on done, adjust it, do whatever you want. And on the second one you are going to do the same thing, but where the music ends you're going to start it right here like this, and it will be more than 15 seconds. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.